Hey Freedom Gorillas, today we have the Kimber 2K11. We're going to take a look at what holosun optics fit on this, as well as their ability to co-witness. And if you're not familiar with what co-witnessing is, all I'm referring to is when an optic is installed on the slide, how much of the front and rear iron sight you're able to see through the optic. That way, in case of any optic failures, you're still able to use the iron sights to aim. Alright, so here we have the Kimber 2K11. And here is the optic plate. Obviously I already unscrewed it. That just comes right off. And you'll see that it's a custom footprint. Now the one thing that Kimber did that is really nice is they added an RMR plate in the package. So you get this with the 2K11 when you buy it. Now the one thing I'm not a giant fan of is the plate that does come with it does not have iron sights. So you are going to have to purchase a separate plate from Kimber themselves. CH is still making the plates that you buy, but you can only buy them from the Kimber store. So again, it comes with an RMR plate. Technically, it's an RMR footprint. Does not have the iron sights built in. So you will have to get those. But assuming you have those, and thank you to CH for hooking us up with these plates for this video, there's an RMSC plate, there's a DPP plate, and there is an RMR plate with the built-in rear iron sights. This is the plate that it comes with. This is the one that you have to buy. So because there's many different footprints, a lot of these optics will be able to be installed and co-witness. On the RMSC side, we have a 407K, 507K, 507K ACSS, the SCS carry, EPS carry, and the full-size EPS. For the DPP plate, we have the SCS 320. For the RMR plate, we have the 407C, 507C, 507C ACSS, the 508T, and the 507 comp. Now, Kimber also sells two additional plates, one specifically for the 509T and one for the acro, but I don't have a 509T plate here because every 509T optic that we've done in this co-witness series will not co-witness because it has a thick deck height, so I just didn't get that one. So in this video, I'll show all of them minus the 509T, but this does have its own specific plate if you want to get that from Kimber. There's everything that'll fit the Kimber 2K11. All of the optics on today's video can be found at freedomgorilla.com. If you'd like to learn more about each of the individual optics we covered, we do have a fitment guide that goes in a little more in-depth, discussing each specification and feature of each optic. We also have a video coming out showing the co-witness and optics you can install for Trijicon and Vortex, so check those out too. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe. We do co-witnesses of every single platform we can get our hands on. As always, Freedom Gorillas, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.